Okay, students, sorry, in last video I forgot to switch off the fan, so there is lot of noise in those videos. Please don't mind it. Take care, you will get the solutions. The question in last video were very good and very important also. For sake of knowledge, for sake of examination also. Now, in this video, I will be telling you the use of vector form of these two equations. V equal to u plus a into t, vector v equal to vector u. S equal to u plus half a t square. T is scalar. Now, while applying these equations, we have to distinguish the direction of velocity and acceleration. Sometimes they will be in the same direction, sometimes they may be in opposite direction. If you take upward direction positive, then you have to use here downward direction negative. And the known values will be used with proper sign. I will tell you what the meaning. And the sign of unknown will come itself. For example, here I take question that from a building, from the top of building, a ball is thrown vertically up. Here is a building, Here is a building, a ball is thrown vertically upward with initial velocity of 20 meters per second. The ball is thrown in such a way that finally it will go up and come down to the earth. It finally comes to the ground. In time t equal to 5 seconds. Using g equal to 9.8 meters per second square. Question that from this top building from here, ball is thrown up and it comes down to the ground in 5 seconds. It is not thrown like this, thrown vertically upward, so that goes up to certain height and finally return back. So here initial displacement. तो ये क्वेश्चन यहाँ अगर इसको x0 t0 यहाँ लेते हैं प्रॉपर ball is thrown vertically upward but displacement finally in 5 seconds is this height of the building. So you are asked here find the height of building and velocity of ball when it hits the ground. क्या पूछा? Height of the building and velocity of the ball when it hit the ground. So here in this case, taking upward direction, positive. You can take negative, that is your choice. And then downward negative. Downwards negative. And using equation vector h equal to ut plus half at square. So initial velocity 20 meter upward. Displacement magnitude is यहाँ 20 into 5 minus 1 upon 9.8. Why minus sign? When we throw ball upward, acceleration to gravity act downward, and that therefore vector g is downward into 25 square. So it is 100 minus 4.9 into 25. 100 minus 25 9 225 122.5. So the height comes minus 22.5 meter. What is the meaning of minus sign here? That displacement is downward, which is equal to height of the tower. So height of the tower is how much? 22.5 meter. This way you can solve it simply. There are other method also. In our NCERT book they use y equal to y0 plus ut plus half gt square like that. y0 हाइट हो जाएगा और फाइनली 5 सेकंड में ये 0 हो जाएगा यहाँ. y equal to 0 in 5 seconds. We can do the same thing by that method. But why I am trying this? There are many problems which appear very simple if we use vector form. Now velocity gain when it hits the ground, again we use v equal to u plus 80. So v equal to u20 minus 9.8 into 5. So 20 minus 49 point, नहीं सॉरी कितना होगा 40 4 हाँ 20 minus 29 meter per second. Minus sign means at 5 seconds the ball was having velocity vertically downward. You may say कि it may be positive. Yes, may be positive if you find velocity after 2 seconds. अगर आप इसी को लगा के velocity of 2 seconds करना है तो v equal to 20 minus 2 into 9.8 तो 20 minus 19.6 तो प्लस कितना 4 और क्या भाई 0.4 बच गया वैसे तो कोई भी इतने मीटर पर सेकंड तभी तब तक वापस जा रहे 2 सेकंड तक. At time 2 seconds ball was still moving upward. So that way it may come positive as well as negative. But here in 5 seconds velocity gained by this is vertically downward having magnitude 29.5. Now there is another question here which can be solved by using the same method. A balloon, it is a balloon rising at speed of 12 meter per second. When it is exactly at height of 65 meter from the ground, 65 meter from the ground, a packet is dropped from it. When balloon is at height of 65 meter height, a balloon, a packet is dropped. Is dropped from balloon. How much time the balloon will take to reach the ground? How much time the balloon will take to reach the ground? I hope you can write the question yourself because it takes lot of time to write question here. I simply explaining what is there. This balloon is rising up with 12 meter per second. When it is actually height of 65 meter, if packet is dropped, so how much time is taken by the packet to reach the ground? Use g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So, when packet was in the balloon, it was also rising with 12 meter per second. So initial velocity of packet was 12 meter per second upward u. 12 meter per second upward. Again, but finally it goes up and come down. So displacement in the position of packet during total time flight is equal to height of the balloon from the ground. I am repeating here. If t is the time taken by the balloon to go to the ground, this is called time flight. In this time of flight, the vertical displacement in the position of packet is equal to height of the balloon from the ground. So equation h equal to ut plus half at square. H minus 65 होगा. Now displacement is known to us. I told you that known values should be put with proper sign. Unknown value will get sign itself. U 12 t you have to find out minus half g10 कहा downward है t square. So this equation becomes 5t square minus 12t minus 65 equal to 0. 5 into 12. तो फैक्टर करने 5 into 65. 5 into 5 into 13. So 25 and 13 are the factors. So you can write here 5t square minus 25t plus 13t minus 65 equal to 0. So you take 5t common, t minus 5 plus 13 common, t minus 5. So t minus minus 5 and 5t plus 13 equal to 0. From here you get t equal to 5 seconds or t equal to minus 13 by 5. Here negative time is not permissible here. Don't say it is always true. कि time negative नहीं होता. अब suppose it is 11 p.m. 10 p.m. was passed to negative ले सकते हैं. So the packet will take 5 seconds to fall to the ground. So these are two questions here based on vector form. I will be using this vector form many times. Suppose I say here, okay, a ball is thrown vertically upward. I say question, a ball is thrown upward with 20 meters per second. How much time it will take to return back to the ground or to the thrower's hand? भाई यहाँ से हमने फेंकी इसको with 20 meters per second. So how high it will go is one problem, but how much time it will take to come back to the ground? My approach is totally different. You can use G here 10 meters per second square. So in total time of flight, vertical displacement 0. Here in total time of flight, vertical displacement equal to 0. I use this approach, but I have not seen any person using this method. Actually, I don't understand why we are so adamant that what we have learned, that is sufficient. No. A teacher is always a learner. Before preparing these videos, I studied to ask what to teach, what to give, so that they may get the topic and concept. So to find total time flight, I told here vertical displacement 0. So using the same equation, as equal to ut plus half at square. So 0 is equal to 20 t minus half 10 t square. So 5t square minus 20t equal to 0. 5t common, t minus 5 equal to 0. From here t equal to 0, t equal to 5. What does it mean? Where the body was at t equal to 0, it will be at same point after 5 seconds when it is thrown vertically. So time of flight is 5 seconds. No, sorry, 4. Yeah, 4. It is 4. Sorry. So that way vector form make the thing very simple. There is a topic over here, motion in vertical plane, which is generally called projectile motion. There are many problems which can be easily solved by this method. So I hope From these videos you have gained too much, and try more problems. There is no end of problem. I will be solving more here. अभी काम पूरा नहीं हुआ मेरा.